right. Very nice packaging on here. Let's take this out. Some installation kit. I'm gonna take it out of here. There it is. Very cool. You can see there is the magnets right here, so it should be fairly simple to install. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up to my monitor here and see how it looks, see how it works. All right, so let's go ahead and actually install it. The magnetic design is a game changer. You just snap it on, it's ready to go. No sticky adhesives or tricky parts. It just takes literally 2 seconds. Plus it blocks the view from the side so only you can see what's on your screen. The aluminum bracket keeps everything secure and looking clean. It's sturdy so the screen stays put even if you do move your monitor around. The screen doesn't mess with your view. It's clear and it helps reduce blue light to make working easier on your eyes, especially if you're working on your desk for hours like I am. It's also built to last. The materials are strong enough to handle daily use so you don't have to worry about it breaking if it gets bumped or drop. With privacy, comfort, and a quick setup, the screen makes working in shared spaces a lot more secure. As you can see, that side protection is a huge bonus. If you work like in a busy office, it's great knowing your information stays private. People sitting next to you can't see anything, but you'll still be able to see a clear, perfect view. Overall, it's more than just a privacy screen. It's a tool that protects your work, helps reduce eye strain, and makes your setup more functional.